Hello and welcome to this presentation. My name is Lee Snyder, the product manager for the steel segment here at Trimble. And what I'll be showing is just a quick overview of the new spiral staircase extension, which is available for version 2017. So I'll just double click on this to launch the tool and just give a quick overview of some of the functionality. As you can see here, we have two different options to be able to come in and create a stair with a vertical post there within the middle, or we can come in and just create dual stringers. And then we have various options for controlling the steps, the rotation, removing inner or outer stringers. We have the ability to add in contour plates as steps or items. Over here on the parts tab, you have the ability to control the inner and outer stringers and also the step properties, and then you also have the ability to control the positioning for those steps. So just real quick, I'll just come in and just model one of these in here off to the side so that we can take a look, and I'll just pick these 2 points to place this in. And then just like any tool here within Tekla, if I come in and change these value fields here and click modify, it's going to move or adjust this as needed. One of the really nice things about this that we are testing out here is this new live update functionality. So you'll notice as soon as I click and activate that, I'll have now sliders here available in the user interface to where I can come in and just begin clicking and dragging, and you can see the dimensions updating automatically here for me, that I can just click and drag this and of course adjust the rotation and everything just as indicated there within the image. And then I can also toggle between these, so if I want to come in and adjust this inner stringer, you can see how these update and interact together. Now I'll just real quickly just load in some other settings here just to give you different ideas of what can be done. So here you can see this is using an item tread instead of a contour plate, something that's been imported there. And then I can also come in and activate the live update if I want to come in and stretch this and make this taller or shorter as the case may be. So I'll go ahead and delete and remove that one here, and then I can also just show you how this would work in relation to the platform that I have created. So if I come in and click this, again I'll just pick my 2 points to position the stair. Then you can see that it will go in and be inserted based upon my settings, and I can then begin adjusting as needed. And just to show you how this item works, if I come in and just toggle in these settings and click modify, instead of bringing in the contour plate, it'll bring in the item tread that I have defined here within the settings of this tool. So now one of the things that I want to show is that if we use this tool in conjunction with some of the other extensions that have been created, I'll just do a fit work area and bring in this silo or storage tank, is that I can use this spiral staircase in conjunction with some of the other tools to quickly automate the modeling here within Tekla Structures. So again, I'll just open this up and I'll go down and load in some settings, click on create, then I can zoom in here and pick my points. And then if I zoom out, we'll be able to see that it's gone through and it's added in this stair with the treads, and then I've chosen to remove one of the stringers here, maybe if these treads were attaching directly to the silo or storage tank. Or I can come in here and just load some different settings that will bring in that extra stringer and also offset this a little bit more from the storage tank. So now that I have my stair inserted, I can also come in and use the circular platform tool, for example, and I can come in and pick my points. So let's say that I want to pick, here's my origin, and then we can move this over in this direction, and then I'll pick the silo as my input part and hit the middle mouse button, and then it will go through and it will add in that platform there for me. We'll take a closer look here in a minute. The next thing that I can do is I can come in here and I can apply these vertical posts or these vertical stanchions that will go right along there. And I'll just do this on both sides real quick. Just load in these settings and click on the stringer there, and then those will be inserted, and then of course we can go in and add in the remainder of the handrail and finish the rest of the detailing. But as you can see, using the collection of these extensions, we have the ability to real quickly create the spiral staircase, this platform here, and then begin adding in our handrail. So these are all available for download on the Tekla warehouse. The spiral staircase is new as of version 2017. So we'd invite you to go in, try it out, send us any feedback that you may have, and we hope you enjoy this new development.